Little storyteller.
Betty the fluffy bunny loved to bake yummy cakes in her cozy kitchen. Her kitchen had bright yellow walls and a big window that looked out onto a field of colorful flowers. Today, Betty was making a special strawberry cake for her friend Timmy the teddy bear. Betty found a big bag of flour. She poured some into a bowl. This looks about right, she said. Without measuring, she added some milk, eggs, and sweet red strawberries. She mixed it all up with a big wooden spoon. Betty poured the batter into a round pan and put it in the warm oven. The kitchen smelled sweet and yummy while the cake baked. Betty tapped her foot excitedly, waiting for Timmy to arrive. When the cake was golden brown, Betty took it out of the oven. But, oh dear, the cake looked a little flat. When Timmy arrived, his brown button eyes looked a little sad when he saw the flat cake. Betty looked at her cookbook. The cookbook had colorful pictures and easy words. She saw a picture of measuring cups and spoons. "Oh," she said, "the book says I need exactly 2 cups of flour." Betty tried again. This time, she used a measuring cup to put exactly 2 cups of flour in the bowl. She carefully measured the other things too. Then she mixed the batter and put it in the oven. This time, when Betty took the cake out, it was tall and fluffy. Timmy's eyes sparkled. They frosted the cake with pink frosting and put fresh strawberries on top. Betty and Timmy shared the yummy cake. "This is the best cake ever, Betty," said Timmy. Betty smiled. She learned that following directions and measuring exactly makes baking even more fun. It's like a little bit of science in the kitchen that makes yummy treats.
Please subscribe. Thank you.